Hello friends, I am Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. In today's session, we are going to learn Roman numbers. In Roman numbers, 1 is represented as I, 5 is represented as V, 10 is represented as X, 50 is represented as L, 100 is represented as C, 500 is represented as D, and 1000 is represented as M. Now, to write down Roman symbols, there are some rules. First rule is only symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated. But we can't repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Symbols such as V, L and D are never repeated. To write down some numbers, we have to use this technique of rule number 4. If symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, then its value is subtracted from the value of greater symbol. For example, IV is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Similarly, if we write IX, then it becomes 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. If symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, then its value is added. For example, VI. Here, VI is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Similarly, we can write 11 as XI. 10 plus 1 gives 11. So friends, remember, if you write smaller value symbol to the left, value gets subtracted from the greater symbol, and if you write smaller value symbol to the right, it gets added to the value of greater symbol. So let's start to write symbols from 1 to 100. 1 is represented as I, 2 is represented by 2I, 3 I, 4 IV, 5 V, 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 VII, 9 IX and 10 X. Now, to write more symbols, you have to remember symbols from 1 to 9. Now, for 11, as tens number is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So, always write down X to the left and write down all numbers from 1 to 9 to get 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. For 20, we have to write down 2 times X. Again, the tens number is 20. So, for 21, write down double X and then 1. So, for 21, we get XXI, 22 XXII, 23 XXIII. Similarly, write down 1 to 9 after 20. So we get the numbers up to 29. Now to write down 30, used 3 times x. 3 times x and 1 is represented by I. 3 times x and 2 is represented by 2i. Similarly, we get all these numbers up to 39. For 40, we can't write 4 times x as per our rule number 4. So, 50 is represented by L. To the left of L, we write x. So, 50 minus 10 gives 40. Now, again add 1 to 9 numbers after XL. After writing this, we get numbers up to 49. And 50 is represented by L. For 51, tens number is 50, that is L. So write down in right side 1 to 9 numbers. For 60, we have to add x after L. Lx gives 50 plus 10, that is 60. 61 is Lxi. Lx gives 62. Similarly, up to 69 we can write. For 70, 50 plus 20, that is Lxx. Then 71, as here tens place number is 70. Write down numbers 1 to 9 to get 71 to 79. For 80, 50 plus 30 is 80. Lxxx. Now tens number is 80. Write down 81 to 89. Now we can't write 90 as L and 4 times x. So 100 is represented by C. So 90 is represented as XC. 100 minus 10 gives 90. Here for 91, tens number is 90 XC, and for 1, 2 we know the symbols. Thus you can write 91 to 99. And lastly for 100 we can write C. 100 is represented by C. Friends, I hope you would understand how to write down Roman numbers without memorizing.